Is it worth it? That's what we're here in Damascus today to try to find out. They are asking $665,000. They have been on the market for 108 days, and they had one price drop about 2 months ago, a month and a half ago. It is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home in 2,900 square feet. I don't know. Let's go take a look at this thing and see, is it worth it? 2-car garage. The roof looks to be in great shape. And looking through the pictures, it didn't look like it was a 2-car garage, so we'll have to check that out inside. Brick front, that chimney really just needs a paint job on it. Looks like we got some vents that need some attention. What else we got? Pretty front walk. But for context, yeah, the road is right there, and it's fairly heavily traveled. So we got a little bit of cracking in the mortar around that window. Springtime, so you definitely want to cut these bushes back. I recommend keeping everything at least 18 inches off of the house. And that's not my original thought. One of my inspectors taught me that. In the foyer, we got hardwood. Looks like it's been painted. It's kind of a little scuffed up a little bit, but we got a nice first floor family room. Lots of natural light. Wood fireplace. Dining room. Opens into the kitchen. That's nice. It's a really good layout. I like the countertops. Older cabinets. Yeah, this floor is definitely worn. Lots of foot traffic here. And it looks like they use predominantly one burner on the stove. And laundry up here. And pantry. It's a little office area maybe. I don't know. Garage. Stacked all the way up with storage. I can't find the light switch. But it's a 1-car garage. Let's see what we got out back. Big deck. Looks like it spans the whole back side of the house. Second layer up here. Get a good look at the roof from here. Roof seems to be in good shape. We got a lot of green, some growth. It's springtime, so now it's time to power wash everything. Oh, this is a really cool backyard. Semi-flat. Fenced. Got a shed out back. Overall, great size yard. It's kind of pretty. Let's go check these bedrooms out. And we got a hall bath. Pedestal sink. Tub shower. Really tiny tiles. That may be original. And the toilet's back behind there. And bedroom is probably the master. Master bath. And walk-in closet. Down the hall, looks like we got 2 more bedrooms. This looks to be the cat room. And another good sized bedroom in here. Well, this is different. So the bathroom is in the bedroom. I'm not sure what's going on here. So To my left is the bed. To my right is the bathroom. And there's no wall. I don't know what the heck's going on here. Maybe you can lay in bed and watch somebody take a shower. I'm totally kidding, kind of. It's a pretty shower. They did great work, but it looks like they deleted a bedroom and added a really nice bathroom in here. But I don't know. Let's check out the basement. The rest of the house seemed pretty cool. Let's go check out the basement. All right, trying to get the lay of the land here. So we got a bathroom, full bathroom back here. And utilities in here. See if we can find an age on this guy. 2010, I think. So that's getting close. See if I can find something on here. 2015, right there. I got this thing packed in here pretty tight. And behind here, all right, so they're using under the steps as just a closet. And this would be a bedroom. So this is bedroom 4. Yeah, there's 3 upstairs. And then this is into the bathroom. And just another closet over there. And the rest of the family room here. It's a cool space. Decent sized rec room. Not huge, but decent size. Let's check out this yard. Walks out. You got a cool little hangout area. Might be able to do something cool up underneath the deck here. But overall, I like it. What did you think of Sweepstakes? Is it worth it? 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 2880, so almost 2,900 square feet finished, and 108 days on the market. They had a price drop about 2 months ago of 10 grand, but for $665, is Sweepstakes worth it?